Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the system compatibility report. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions, then you're good to go. If you are encountering a system compatibility report error in Adobe Premiere Pro, it typically indicates that there might be an issue with your hardware or software that is incompatible with the version of your Premiere Pro you are trying to run. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the Adobe Premiere Pro, and I want you to hover to the file section on the top left corner. Click that and go to the Preferences and basically go to General. There should be an option here that says Show System Compatibility Issues at Startup. If you don't want that, alright, just uncheck that option and click on OK. Alright, so that's the easiest way for you to do it. Now, the next thing is we need to run the DXDiag or the diagnostic tools. All right, so type in DXDiag on the search bar. What will happen is it would give you something like this, and the GPU driver is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, and you just have to download this to the latest driver. All right, and then try to reinstall the driver and restart your Adobe Premiere Pro. Normally that helps solve the problem of the compatibility report. And another option that you can do again is go to the file section here, go to the project settings, go to general. Under the video rendering section right here, you might want to set the renderer to the Mercury Playback Engine software only, instead of the Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration. All right, that would help if the system has an older or unsupported GPU, because Premiere Pro might not be able to use the GPU acceleration, causing compatibility issues. All right, so that's one way. And again, after doing so, click the OK button, try to restart your Premiere Pro. And again, you can also go to the edit section, go to preferences, go to the media cache, and there should be an option to delete all these. All right, click on OK and try to restart your Adobe Premiere Pro if that works. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.